Mastering comparison. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we're diving into an essential aspect of learning numbers in English: comparing and ordering numbers. Specifically, we will focus on understanding and using the symbols for greater than, less than, and equal to. The greater than symbol is greater than. When you see it between two numbers, it means the first number is larger than the second. For example, 75 greater than 24 indicates that 75 is greater than 24. The less than symbol is less than. When you see it between two numbers, it means the first number is smaller than the second. For example, 42 less than 86 means that 42 is less than 86. The equal to symbol is equals. When you see it between two numbers, it means the first number is the same as the second. For example, 33 equals 33 means that 33 is equal to 33. Let's apply these symbols to real-life scenarios. Example 1. If you're counting apples and you have 23 apples, while your friend has 56 apples, your friend has greater than number of apples. So, you would say, my friend has greater than 23 apples. Example 2. In a race, if you finish in 62 seconds and your opponent finishes in 78 seconds, your time is less than your opponent's. So, you would say, my time is less than 78 seconds. Example 3. If you and your friend both read 45 books in a year, the number of books you read is equal to the number of books your friend read. So, you would say, I read equals 45 books this year. Now that you know how to use these symbols, let's put them to use in ordering numbers. If you have a set of numbers, such as 47, 82, and 35, you can use these symbols to compare and order them. 47 less than 82. 47 is less than 82. 47 greater than 35. 47 is greater than 35. 82 greater than 35. 82 is greater than 35. This means that when these numbers are ordered from smallest to largest, they appear as 35, 47, 82. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use the greater than, less than, and equal to symbols in English. Keep practicing with different numbers, and you'll master this in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and growing.